Are you ready to take your Instagram game to the next level? Introducing Threads, the new app from Instagram that is revolutionizing social media communication, that just launched this Wednesday, July 5th, 2023. In this video, we will dive deep into what Threads is all about and how it works. We will also explore the story behind its creation and how it differs from other platforms like Twitter. So, let's get started. What is Threads app? Threads, Instagram's captivating new app. Created by Meta, the parent company of Facebook, has burst onto the scene with a mission to rival Twitter. Designed for real-time conversations, this innovative platform primarily revolves around text-based posts. It also offers the ability to share captivating photos and videos, making it a compelling choice for users. How Threads works. Threads is an Instagram app designed for real-time, public conversations. By integrating your existing Instagram username, you gain access to this innovative platform. The app seamlessly blends Instagram's aesthetic and navigation system, creating a familiar experience for users. Moreover, Threads allows you to share your content directly to Instagram stories, expanding its reach. You have complete control over your interactions, with options to unfollow, block, restrict, and report profiles. With a character limit of 500, you can express yourself through text, links, photos, videos up to 5 minutes long. Threads versus Twitter. Threads and Twitter, two platforms with distinct purposes and user bases. Threads, the cutting-edge app developed by Instagram, offers a unique experience for a close-knit circle of friends, with the ability to share posts, photos, videos, and messages. Threads revolutionizes private social networking. On the other hand, Twitter, now owned by Elon Musk, stands as a global platform, allowing open expression of thoughts, fostering discussions among individuals, businesses, and public figures worldwide. Another example is Twitter relies heavily on hashtags, which serve as a fundamental aspect of the platform. They enable users to easily find posts related to specific text and topics, and identify trending content in one centralized location. Threads lack the capability to search for particular text or phrases. Additionally, it is important to note that Threads do not offer a desktop website, limiting access solely to iOS and Android applications. Let's break down more differences. Twitter users can include images, videos, GIFs, and other multimedia content directly in their tweets. Threads, similar to Twitter, Threads can incorporate multimedia elements like images and videos within individual messages. Conclusion on Threads Meta. Threads is a game changer for Instagram users. This new app allows you to connect and communicate with your closest friends in a more intimate and focused way. Threads gives you the opportunity to share your day-to-day experiences, thoughts, and emotions with those who matter most to you. It's like having your own private social network within Instagram.